Hello there. I wanted to make a video about the figs that are ripening right now. This is my Longue. It's, I believe, a French variety. Taking a look here, I do see a little bit of latex on the branch. So it could be that I picked it a little bit too early. It may have needed another day, but you know, it's looking really good and I could not resist. Let's see what else we got here. This is Lebanese Baskinta Purple, which is a delicious fig when ripened properly. Probably needs a little bit longer, so we'll wait on that. We got some Atrianos here. Atriano's great because it's always early. And it looks fantastic. Look at that cracking. Always a good variety. You know, I'm sure there's some other figs that may have a little bit more flavor, but that Atriano is always so early and it tastes absolutely delicious. We got a Maltese Beauty here and it looks fantastic. It's so nice and purple. It kind of feels soft, but I gotta get this bag off. Oh, and I had to drop it, of course. All right. Usually this thing does not ripen this early for me, so I'm not too sure what we're gonna get. It could be a fluke, but we're gonna take these inside and see what's going on. Can't even fit this whole thing into the camera. 81 grams. And the next one we're gonna try Maltese Beauty. Beautiful Maltese Beauty, and never seen them develop this early and this nice color. They always develop towards the end of the season for me, but I know this year something's going good. Maybe the tree is finally old enough. 33 grams. All right, here is our Longue. Wow, that is fantastic looking. That's what I call jewelry. All right, and let's grab our Maltese Beauty. And let's see what's going on in there. And yeah, always this fig is light colored pulp. Let's try it out and see what's going on this year. Okay, I don't know, maybe because it's the first one, nothing too special for me. I just had a Niagara Black and that thing kicked ass. Longue. That's very good. That's very good. You know, if I had to compare that with the Niagara Black that I just have, it's very close. Maybe Niagara Black is a little bit better tasting, but this definitely gives you a lot of fig. Let's call the wife to try it out. Okay, so this is a Maltese Beauty.
Okay. Start with this one.
Yeah. It's okay. I don't know. What do you think? You like it? You still like it?
Nice.
All right. I'll try this one then.
Okay.
Much more flavor, right? Yeah.
Wow, it smells really good. Really good, huh?
Yeah, that's very good.
Mm.
That is one amazing fig, actually. It's got the size, it's got the flavor, it's got it all.
Beautiful.